Welcome to FinVibes Media, where financial inspiration meets creativity. We bring you smart money tips, relaxing music, and fresh ideas to help you grow. Let's kickstart the journey to smarter finances and a life full of positive vibes. Let's be honest, money has a sneaky way of disappearing. One minute you're feeling rich on payday, the next minute, you're checking your bank account like, where did it all go? Well, good news, you don't have to keep guessing. There are free apps out there that can track every cent you spend, and today, I'm sharing my top picks. No complicated finance jargon, just apps that actually work for normal people like you and me. 1. Mint, the classic all-in-one. Mint is like that friend who knows everything about your money and isn't afraid to tell you. It connects to your bank accounts, tracks your spending, creates budgets, and even warns you if you're overspending. Plus, it's free and super beginner-friendly. I started with Mint, and within a week I realized my coffee habit was costing me more than my Netflix subscription. Oops. Too good budget, the digital envelope system. If you've heard of the envelope method, this is the modern version. You basically divide your income into digital envelopes, groceries, rent, fun money, savings. It's super visual and helps you stick to your budget. I used it when I was trying to stop overspending on takeout, and it worked. Once my restaurant envelope was empty, that was it. No more sushi runs. Well, for that month at least. 3. Pocket Guard, the What's Left app. Sometimes I just want to know, how much money do I have left to spend today without going broke? Pocket Guard does exactly that. It shows you your income, bills, savings goals, and then tells you what's safe to spend. It's like having a little voice in your phone saying, yeah, you can afford that coffee, or maybe not. Four. Spendy, the colorful tracker. Spendy makes money tracking look pretty. It's super visual, colorful charts, categories, and even shared wallets if you're budgeting with a partner or friend. It's perfect if you're the type who loves seeing your spending in colors rather than numbers. When I used it with my roommate, we finally stopped arguing about who paid for what. The app tracked it all. Five. Fudget, the no-nonsense tracker. If you hate complicated apps, Fudget is your guy. No charts, no categories, just lists of income and expenses. Simple, clean, and perfect if you just want to quickly log your money without too much setup. I used this when I was traveling and needed to track expenses on the go. Worked like a charm. So there you have it, my favorite free apps to track your spending. The best part? They're all free, so you can try them out and see which one fits your style. Because when you track your money, you control your money, not the other way around.